My name is Neil Koch, and I started running heavy equipment right out of high school because growing up I had been obsessed with tractors, trucks, and anything that could dig in the dirt. I liked digging so much that at age 25 I bought my first backhoe and shortly after a dump truck, just to do some side jobs and work around home. I'm now running my second backhoe and I've been through multiple dump trucks over the years. If I wasn't digging, then I was driving something. A semi, dump truck, a tractor of some sort, trying to earn extra money on the weekends while I put myself through college and my wife and I bought and remodeled our homestead. But I did some driving for fun too along the way, but even that usually involves some kind of dirt or mud. And if I wasn't digging or driving, then I was involved in some kind of home or shop project. Tagging along with my dad from an early age taught me that the most rewarding way to get something that you needed done was to do it yourself. There's a real sense of pride and accomplishment that comes from tackling and completing a project that you had no idea what you were doing when you started. So that's how I came up with the name of my YouTube channel, Koch, Dig, Drive, DIY. I've always enjoyed taking pictures and videos of the projects I've worked on through the years, but I never really did anything with all those memories, and I didn't have a good way to share it with others that may have similar interests. So at 43 years old, I decided to start documenting some of my weekend projects and side jobs with three main goals. Number one, learn how to make engaging and interesting videos. So I'm here learning. Number two, connect with people that have similar interests and could be entertained or learn something from watching me tackle a project. And number three is to leave a video diary of sorts that I can look back upon or that hopefully my children or even grandchildren can watch in the future and find fulfilling. I'm in a unique position where I don't do any of this stuff for a living anymore, but fortunately I still get to do plenty of digging, driving, and DIY projects for family, friends, and our community. From excavating to farming to home improvement to fabrication, and of course, those honeydew projects. If you like what you see in this channel trailer, then I invite you to subscribe and tag along. I set a goal to publish a video at least once every 2 weeks. Maybe more, maybe less. We'll see. I want to reserve the time to teach my daughters the value in doing things for themselves and being exposed to those common sense elements of country living that seem to fall by the wayside nowadays. But with that being said, I appreciate you checking out my YouTube channel, and hopefully we'll see you at the next video. Take care.